Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna go to Hermes boutique and I'm gonna get something. I was waiting for 6 months, so let's go shopping with me. So as you can see, there are not many bags displayed. The reason why my essay is saying the Paris headquarters is not making a lot of bags now. So it's been like 3 months, she's saying they are not producing bags. Maybe that's why I was waiting for my mini bag for 6 months, I guess. Love these vibrant colors. So many beautiful print of the scarves. There are some men's tie section and women's shawl and scarves. Which print is your favorite? So Hermes just launched new beauty product, which is nail polish. I really wanted to get some, so I was checking all the colors. There's a base coat and nourishing oil for the nail. And there's a top coat and also hand cream. You can get perfect full kit for the nail. Let me check the color. There's a mini color panel like this to try it on. Let's check it out, all the color. I wanna try the Twilly perfume. Now let's move on to shoes and ready-to-wear section. I love this new dolphin loafer. I'm gonna try it on later. This flat dual ankle boot looks so comfy. Love this combat boot. So I tried this dolphin, it's so comfortable. Also tried this Bilbao ballet flat, it's also comfortable. So pretty. This Oran is like artwork. I guess these are FW season ready to wear. Love this twilight sweater dress. This short coat looks so classic. Simple black cashmere jacket. Love this padded bomber jacket. There's a Shangdao dress version, but I wanted the short one. This hoodie was set with jogger pants. I love the beige tone clothes. Love this padded vest. There's a bomber jacket version as well. Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna do unboxing of some item I bought. Let me start with beauty product and Probably I'm gonna do the bag next time, so yeah, wait for it. So I'm gonna start with lipstick I got this time. You know, every season there's a limited edition new color lipstick. I have orange color. Yeah, number 33, orange void. This one I used a lot. And there are two kinds of lipstick, as you know. One is matte lipstick, which I got this time. And the other one is a satin lipstick, it says. So satin lipstick is more smooth texture. As you can see, like this. Very smooth texture. It's silky. That's why they call satin. And this one is matte lipstick. It's a rose magenta, number 74, and matte. So let me show you quickly. This one I really liked. I bought this to match with another beauty product, which I'm gonna show you. I love this case. So this one is matte. This one is satin. See this? How it looks matte. Rose magenta. And this one, orange void. You can just see this has some sheen and like smooth texture you can feel just by looking at it. But this one is very matte, very smooth, you can see, right? And this one, I liked it because it looks like perfect for fall season and winter season. Yeah, texture like a satin texture. This is like really matte texture. So let me try it on. How is it? I love it. So I wanted to match this color with. Ta-da! So Hermes just launched beauty product, nail polish product. So I really wanted to try some, and then I like some color. You know, some color I knew from the leather bags already. They have the color in their bag. So I know some color, but some color I wanted to try first time, and I was so like happy to see their nail polish product. First one is number 70, Rose Indian. Ta-da! Yeah, this color, Rose Indian. Let me try it on and show you guys. I had to get rid of gel nail. Yeah, the package is like this. And this is not exactly same color with this lipstick, but I was trying to match, kind of same, almost like a dark pink. I love the package. It's like a very white. So I like this white bottle. It's like this. Very smooth texture. The brush itself. Wow, I love the color. Wow, see? It's like this. So deep and very rich. Rich red, dark pink. I think it's more like dark pink than red. But in the video, it looks like a red. But when I see in real, it's like dark pink, hot pink almost. So this is a Rose Indian. Yeah, number 70. The next color is number 6, Rose Baltic. So I really wanted this color. This is my favorite pink color. Toned down pink, I would say. It's like low-key, daily for any look. So I love it. Number 6, Rose Baltic. I love this Hermes logo here, signature. And the package is so good. Hopefully this is not too diluted color. I prefer something matte color. If it's too much transparent, kind of transparent, then I think perfect for daily. Maybe I can try one more time to layer like this. But almost transparent, I would say. So Rose Baltic is almost transparent color, but I love it. Next one is number 49, Rose Tamize. I don't know, dark pink, between pink and beige. Texture is so smooth. Oh my god, love it. So good. Next one is John Imperial, or the John something color is yellow tone, right? So this is yellow tone color. Number 79, John Imperial color. Tone down mustard color. Like this. Perfect for the fall season, right? So I wanted to try. It's like this. Again, rich texture I can feel. Very toned down mustard color. Which one is your favorite color? Yeah, I really like dark pink. And so I like these dark colors because it shows a more vibrant color than like a light pink like this or like yellow color. Yeah, it shows true color. So go for the dark color. I'm gonna get more dark color for the winter season, maybe. Among these color, one color is almost same as the bag I got. So guess which color I got for the bag. I forgot to mention the price again. The lipstick, the price was $72. Each nail polish cost $45. Hope you enjoyed my video today and wait for my mini bag unboxing next time. See you soon. Bye.